Welcome to Keeping Fit with me. Today we are going to perform the sit-up. Are sit-ups important? Sit-ups are extremely important as they help to deter predators. If you are in a lying down position, then you are susceptible to animal attacks, such as from beavers or snails and polar bears. However, if you then go and do a sit-up, then you'll be in a seated position and you'll seem much larger to the predator. So the polar bear, for example, will be too intimidated then to go and attack you. Nothing would risk attacking this. It's just too dangerous. So I'll now show you how to perform the sit-up. The best way to perform a sit-up is by calling someone else to help. As we all know, doing a sit-up involves a large amount of effort, and who needs that in their life? So why not ask someone else to aid you with that instead and take that effort directly away from you? I'm just going to call someone now. Oh, I need to dial. Oh, it's ringing. Hello? Is that the emergency services? Yes, thank you for answering my call. I need some help with doing a sit-up. Will you be able to help me with that? What do you mean I'm wasting your time? This is very hard work. Please can you send someone over immediately to help me do a sit-up? Oh, brilliant. You're sending over a couple of policemen to help me up. That's great. I'll see them soon then, shall I? Excellent. Thank you so much. Goodbye. And now you just play the waiting game. It's as simple as that. If you don't have a phone or you don't have any time to wait, then you're going to have to try and do a sit-up all by yourself by lifting your own body weight up into the air. But before you even attempt to do a sit-up all by yourself, due to the danger that's involved with doing a sit-up, it's best to have someone that you can rely on that can come and save you and rescue you if you're still unable to do the sit-up by yourself, even after following all of these techniques that I've showed you. So to perform the sit-up yourself, you'll just need to get yourself onto the floor, and that is done using the form of gravity. Next, you're going to want to check for any damage or broken body parts as a result of the fall. If you find that you do in fact have a broken body part, such as a broken neck or dislocated head, then you might find it a bit more tricky to do a sit-up. Thankfully, I don't have any major flesh wounds, so we can now move on to the next step. Now, from here, you're going to want to lift your knees up in the air. You do that by grabbing one of the knees, like this, and then prying it upwards in the air, like that. And then you're going to want to do the same with the other knee as well. So just jab it upwards, just like that. Right, so now you're halfway there to doing the sit-up. And from this position, you're going to want to hoist your whole body up into the air. With just enough power, you should be able to get yourself into a seated position and therefore will have completed the sit-up. Let's see if I can do that now. Oh, this gravity is really strong today. Doesn't make it easy at all. That's good, I'm getting my head off the ground. That's definitely progress. there we go. Oh, fell sideways. But don't worry, you can't give up there. You just need to get yourself back upright again. With the knees up. So, oh, it's not good for my bones, this. Okay, so I'm back in the starting position again. I'm ready to get myself back into the sit-up. Let's see. Lift up. That's it. Grab one of your knees and then force yourself up. My body is falling apart. And that is how you perform the sit-up. The tutorial is now complete. If you would like further information on performing the sit-up, then please study some literature. There's probably a book about it somewhere. Now I'm going to go and see if I can do any more sit-ups with the techniques that I've already showed you earlier. So I'll see you all later. Goodbye everyone. Hello? Is that the emergency services? Yes, I called you earlier because I need help doing a sit-up, and you said that you would send some policemen over to help with that. And they haven't arrived yet. I had to do a sit-up all by myself earlier because you guys didn't arrive, and it was very tiring and excruciating. I'm very disappointed. I'm not going to press charges this time around, but you need to make sure that the police are on their way to help me up this time around. So, I hope they're on their way now. Oh, 1 second. Oh, I think they're here. Why am I being arrested? Since when is wasting police time a criminal act? This is unbelievable.